Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need Chrome and a signed-in Google account. Once that's confirmed, join the Meet Room. Start by granting mic permissions so audio routes clearly. Next, open Google Translate in a separate tab or app and set the source and target languages. Make sure your speaker output is audible. You'll play or route translated audio if required. Once done, position the Translate window for quick access and prepare to capture spoken content using Meet captions or audio sharing tools to begin live translation. Start by enabling Meet captions and verify the spoken language matches the source. Then switch to Google Translate and pick the target language you want the audience to hear. Use the app's microphone or conversation mode to transcribe and translate in near real time. This increases accuracy for back-and-forth dialogue. If you must broadcast translated sound into Meet, route system audio, or a virtual audio device, so Meet receives the translated output. Make sure volume levels are balanced to avoid echo and dropouts. Finish by checking latency and asking participants to speak in short phrases so translation keeps pace. Make sure captions in Meet sync with the translate output. If not, pause both and restart the translate microphone. If audio quality falls, switch to a headset or reduce competing audio sources. This fixes most distortion. And if permissions or strange behavior persist, close and reopen the tabs, or use an incognito window to reset settings. One key troubleshooting tip: restart the translate microphone and Meet captions together to clear sync errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.